ka lang tapos
Ano ba?
second round.
Oo, pakilala ka muna. Pero, ano muna? Ako muna. Second round mo.
Okay, sige.
Ready? Ready? Ako muna, Beha. 1, 2, 3. Hi guys! We're here now at Ginoong Kanlahi 2025 second runner-up with Mark. Hi Mark!
Hello, good evening. I'm Mark Christian 1, 23, newly crowned second runner-up of Ginoong Kanlahi 2025.
Alright Mark, first time mo ba mag-join ng ganitong competition?
Well, certainly first time na ganitong kalaki na provincial, but previously yun nga, sa municipal namin, and then from barangays, sa school, I started there. This is my 6th pageant.
Let's talk about your performance for the coronation night. So, if you're going to evaluate yourself, rate from 1 to 10, ano ka dito at bakit?
I guess I'm gonna give myself an 8.5. I know di pa ako perfect, and that is why I'm second runner-up.
What do you think is your weakest in this competition?
I think yung mas panalo ng ano sa akin, nag-title tsaka ng first runner is on the physique pa rin talaga. I know I'm kind of lacking pa there, still developing, as time passed by. So I guess that's one factor.
Did you undergo training ba prior of joining Ginoong Kanlahi?
Oo naman, more on proper training, but unfortunately wala kasi akong fitness coach, ganun ba? So, yun, I guess that's the difference as well.
Did you expect that you will be included in the top 5?
Well, I did my best, so I really did hope so. But sa mga kalaban, malalakas sila.
Sino sa tingin mo yung pinakamalakas na kalaban mo?
I mean, actually, umpisa pa lang si Anaw na talaga doon. So, yeah, and it's really true, kaya nga siya yung nanalo tonight. And yun nga, sabi ko nga kanina, dun sa nasa CR kami na nakalak kami. Kami na lang yung tatlong naiwan, ako, si Anaw, tsaka si Camiling. Sabi ko sa kanila, kahit sinong manalo sa inyong dalawa, hindi ako magagalit, sabi ko. So, yun, kasi deserve din naman talaga nila.
Mark, ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng kanlahi para sa ating manonood?
Yun nga, when we say kanlahi, it means kanlungan ng lahi. That is what Tarlac is. Kasi Tarlac, maraming lahi yung tumitira dito. Yun nga, Kapampangans, Ilocanos, Tagalogs, people from Bulacan, and that is why we are called that. Yun.
Mark, what makes you a Ginoong Kanlahi 2025?
Ako bilang isang Ginoong Kanlahi, I just don't want to be remembered as someone who is good looking. I want to be remembered as someone compassionate and a kind gentleman. That's what I want to be remembered by. And I want to use those qualities to inspire, people, yung mga nanonood sa amin especially, and more especially sa mga young men ng current generation.
Alright, what's the next after this, Mark? Are you planning to join the national pageant or just focus on your
Well, for now, wala pa naman akong long-term plans. For short-term, siguro, pahinga muna, samji muna, ganyan. Pero, yun, kasi before this, may mga nag-aaya na rin sa akin, like to join Mr. Grand, ganon. But since it's a contract, I did not join pa. So, hopefully, open pa yung mga doors na yun. And definitely, makikita nyo pa ako sa ibang stages. Kasi, naging passion ko na din to.
Mark, what's your favorite part of the competition?
My favorite part of the competition, definitely yung production number talaga. It's just so fun. I really enjoyed it. Kahit na hindi ako sobrang galing sumayaw. Pero yun, I just enjoyed it. Sobra.
Ano naman pinakamahirap na segments sa Coronation Night?
Yung costume para sa akin.
Mabigat?
Yung costume ko, di naman super bigat. Pero it's just, kind of uncomfortable. Yung details ng costume, ganyan-ganyan. Pero, yun, we just have to do it and showcase yung costumes na pin-repair, inspiring our municipalities.
And para kanino naman yung corona, naalay mo na?
To a lot of people, actually. Siyempre, to my supporters, my family, friends, kahit na yung mga strangers, ganon. I love you all, guys. And I guess, parang pinakauna sa list yung handler ko. Kasi siya talaga yung parang nakitaan niya ako ng potential. Even from a young age, nung una pa kaming sumali ng pageant during high school. 16 pa lang ako noon. hanggang ngayon siya pa rin yung handler ko. Ngayong 23 na ako, so that's a lot of years. Di ko na nabibilangan. Never ako nagpalit ng handler. Never kami nagkakaproblema, ganun. So yun, proud siya.
Alright. Aside from your handler, who else would you like to acknowledge about your behind your journey here at Ginong Kanlahi?
Yun nga, my family and friends, and syempre yung local people from Concepcion na tumulong sa amin. Our congressman and yung wife niya, si Miss Evelyn Rivera, Mayor Noel Villanueva, and tourism office from our municipality, and nothing office yun, yung nag-arrange ng service namin. So, yun, I really appreciate all the help that I got. Tsaka sa mga fairy godmother ko sa Concepcion, Daylandahan, talaga, yun.
And where can they follow you?
I'm sorry?
Where can they follow you all throughout your journey?
Social media, I see. Well, yung Facebook ko, Mark Christian 1, that's Mark with a C, M-A-R-C, Christian 1. And my Instagram, that's muan.mark, muan.marc. Doon lang ako pinaka-active na social media actually. So, you can follow me there. I hope to see you on my following list and watch my journey and growth pa sa future years. See you.
Thank you so much, Mark.
Thank you very much,
Congratulations
Mark.
once again.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much sa efforts niyo for covering the pageant. And maraming mga fans na nakakatutok dahil sa work niyo bilang pageant enthusiast. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.